bring all that feels good into your body. When we feed our body with nourishing movement that we choose for ourselves, our cells respond to that. They are informed. And it makes everything feel better from the inside out. Taking a moment to play with this concept of inside and out. Turn on imagination. Bring in what you need. And let out what you don't. Bring in what you need. Bring out what you don't. This is intimate and private and personal. Now stay within, holding yourself, sensing shift in temperature, heat, and then becoming curious about what you may sense if you choose to come down to the ground in your practice today. Find yourself all the way down. However you choose to come down today, you may use the assistance of a wall, a chair, or simply come down to the earth. I'm going to bring my legs towards my heart, heels towards my buttocks. I'll show you from the side. Nice tall spine, so if you want to keep those legs a little more extended for comfort, feel free. Flex the feet to create stability, and take a moment to sense your body here in stillness. And check in. Does this feel good for me? Can I sustain my joy here, or do I need to tweak? Maybe you want to come with me to the beach. Bask under the Hawaiian rays of sunshine. And then ask again, do I feel good here? Or do I feel better here? Allowing the body to soften. Intrinsic tiny moves could feel so good. Given the opportunity to try. Bring your awareness into your ankles. Choose movement or stillness. Bringing your awareness into your knees. I like to touch so that I can really connect. And in silence, keeping the dance of joy in your body alive. vivid, moving and shifting the hips however you choose today. And then inviting the spine to move your core in ways that make you feel good. Waking up the fingers, touching space, moving the wrists in ways that feel good for you. And the elbows. Hear a lot of cracking in my body. If you hear that too, you're not the only one. Shoulders. And as we learn to isolate, we also learn to integrate. Let's bring all of those joints, the whole body, to move in any way you'd like, to start preparing to slowly start coming back into standing. Take your time. Being gentle and patient. Letting the body tell you when it's ready to champagne its way back up. Using any moves you'd like. Choosing any way you'd like to start coming up. To round through the spine. Bringing the head last. And taking an inhale, smell the moment. Stay right here in that big body yawn. Stay connected, accessing that universal joy, that force that makes us feel alive. Taking 2 steps out of your practice, choosing where you'd like to take your energy, your body, your mind, emotions, and spirit next. See you next time, and I hope you enjoy the joy of movement. Thank you.